Hello, this is Brian, and welcome back to the Shreve, Crump, and Low YouTube channel. Today we will be unboxing the Rolex reference 116619LB, the legendary all-white gold Submariner, fondly referred to as the Smurf. Let's begin by opening the cream-colored Rolex crown-embossed outer box, revealing the classic green Rolex wave-textured inner presentation box. Upon opening the inner box, you may feast your eyes on the infamous white gold blue dial dive watch. Above the watch in the lid compartment of the box, you will find the watch's accompanied papers and warranty card. This specific watch has had its original warranty card replaced with a Rolex Service Warranty card, showing you that this specific white gold Submariner has just received a full overhaul and movement service by the Rolex Service Center as of May 2021, guaranteeing the watch's movement for 2 years from the date of service. The bezel protector and extra links will also be found inside the box. It is important to note that the Smurf has been recently discontinued by Rolex as of September 2021, after its introduction in 2008 and subsequent 13-year production run. The Smurf has been replaced by the new Rolex reference 126619LB, a blue ceramic bezel black dial 41mm white gold case Submariner date, with the new Rolex manufactured caliber 3235 self-winding movement with 70 hours of power reserve vibrating at 28,800 vibrations per hour in 31 joules. But let's take a closer look at the original blue bezel blue dial white gold Submariner. If you are new to Rolex, at first glance you may think this white metal watch is your standard stainless steel Submariner, fitted with a blue dial and blue ceramic bezel. However, a true enthusiast will know that this piece is crafted out of Rolex's in-house patented 18-karat white gold alloy. A big issue facing white gold watches in the past was the use of rhodium plating to surface traditional yellow gold in order to achieve the white lustery finish, which would wear off over time with use. But Rolex's proprietary white gold alloy is such that there is no need to rhodium plate the surface of the gold, because the entire compound is white metal all the way through. The subtle yet luscious coloring of Rolex's white gold is warmer than its 904L steel counterparts, which creates a far more luxurious feel when seen in person or worn on the wrist. True to form, this Rolex Submariner has a rotating dive bezel with luminescent pearl or pip at the 12 o'clock that can be used to time events up to 60 minutes. A depth rating of 300 meters or 1,000 feet, and a classic Rolex Oyster Sport bracelet, equipped with the latest in Rolex Glide Lock clasp adjustment technology. There is certainly no mistaking that this is a gold watch when on the wrist. It fits like your typical maxi case 40mm Submariner, but with some expected added heft and presence from the white gold. The vibrant lacquered blue dial matches seamlessly with the blue ceramic bezel. These features are highlighted even further due to the fact that the subtle warm hues and brilliant luster of the white gold provide a beautiful contrast. The venerable Rolex Oyster Sport bracelet is adorned with a high polish on the center link and contrasting brushed outer link. Powering this Submariner is the widely utilized Rolex workhorse self-winding caliber 3135 movement with 48-hour power reserve and 31 joules. Rolex's commitment to superlative chronometry certifies this watch to be accurate between +2 and -2 seconds per day, meaning the deviation on timing is very minimal. With proper care, a Rolex Submariner will last generations to come. A gold Rolex can be a loud statement. While there are plenty of rose and yellow gold options in the Rolex catalog, such as the yellow gold black dial Submariner we previously featured, this white gold metal is true low-key luxury. If you are the type of individual that likes to celebrate your achievements without drawing undue attention, then this may be the watch for you. Ultimately, the right collector diehards out there who know will without a doubt know that you are not flaunting just a standard Submariner on the wrist. And perhaps that is the allure of this legendary piece, that those who know know. Overall, the weight of this watch is unmistakably precious. The dial and bezel combination are exclusive to this now discontinued reference, making it all the more rare and unique. This specific Smurf is available for sale via our Shreve, Crump & Low certified pre-owned watch department. Click the link in the description to visit the original listing page on our website at www.shrevecrumpandlow.com. We thank you for joining us today and hope you enjoyed this video. We invite you to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest content. We hope to see you again very soon.